right now we're at a car meet in El Monte to just check out some cars. It's supposed to be Initial D themed, if you've ever seen the show or read the manga. It's like an anime manga type thing about cars in Japan. So maybe we'll see some JDM cars. Who knows? You can already see there's some cars behind me. It doesn't start yet. Right now it's 6:30. It's supposed to start at 7. You can walk around and see what's here for now, and then maybe more stuff will come. And yeah, let's check it out. so we're back home. That was a lot of fun. There was a lot of cool cars there. A lot of Japanese cars, of course, because it was JDM themed. What was your favorite car?
I liked the HKS and the Viper.
Yeah, those were nice. Those were definitely a standout. There were a lot of S chassis there, which were cool, you know. They were handing out flyers for like some drift thing at some track event. I guess it makes sense why there were so many S chassis. People like drifting those. If you're interested in going to car meets, we found this one on Instagram at Westside Car Meets. Anyways, have a good night, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.